Last year was too hard for all of us. Epidemic, war, in my case also personal adversity and absolute indifference of the state towards Armenian chess. I was facing the choice to leave my life's job or move to where I was appreciated. After more than a year of waiting for the fulfillment of current government promises, I realized that I had to make a breakthrough decision and leave my native country. Obviously, every year of expectation of change is a wasted year from my sports career, and I appreciate my family, especially my mother's sacrifice as a chess player in my parking lot not to use my opportunity to make the most of it. I am sincerely proud of having had the honor of making a significant contribution to the greatest achievement of Armenian chess: 3 Olympic gold in the world, and European championships, 2 World Cups, a number of individual and team victories. I think it's clear that it's impossible to achieve in chess world heights without long-term youth work and targeted support of the state. It is important to note that the third president of Armenian, Serge Sargsyan's personal attention and important support for years in our chess success. After the revolution in 2018, the new government promised to continue the line, but the promise was limited to only 1 year of partial assistance, after which it stopped. Meanwhile, the chess arena was invaded by absolutely ignorant new sports state figures who rewritten our successes to themselves, began to self-proclaim even through blackmail. They managed to divide the chess solid family and spear into chaos. I've tried many times to present the former Minister of Education, Science, Culture and Sports, Araik Harutyunun, other responsibilities of the spear, as well as RA Prime Minister. With him, these three, at the only meeting in years for which he strictly said 15 minutes. All my attempts to suspend the devastating decisions in the chess sphere have been overthrown. I still fail to explain to the new government that chess is a great legacy in our country and that our successes in this sphere are perhaps one of the biggest achievements in our country. Personally, Armenian chess victories for me, independent Armenia, the second pride is 1992 to 1994, Artsakh freedom after our victory. I couldn't pass on the simple truth that I ask for state support not for me personally, but for our successes to serve and bring glory to our homeland, which for decades may not have Armenian anymore. The answer was, our experts find that Levon Aronian has no more potential. Immediately after this verdict at Stavanger's prestigious tournament, I lost both the world champion and the number 2 players in the world. I received many attractive offers from different countries for years, including great American philanthropist and chess lover Rex Sinquefield, who repeated his offer to move to the United States every year. I have been denying everything that was done. It was priceless for chess development by my state, and that no material value could compare to the respect that the chess player enjoyed in Armenia. I would like to express my gratitude to the respected Rex Sinquefield for still believing in me today. Thanks also to Fabiano Caruana, who is America's strongest player, supports me and shares my decision to be the teammate. I am very grateful to my family, relatives, friends and all the people who know my principles and understand me. My mother often repeats the Armenian saying, God gives every man a test in his own way. There have been many trials in my life, and every new one I accept with humility and willingness to be better than yesterday. I hope I overcome this one with dignity. I am sure this time will pass and chess will return to its status in Armenia. Instead of closing chess schools and departed devotees, we will see again respect for the sport where we as a nation and country had, and I think will still have, our stable place. Until then, I want to assure you once again that I am connected with all the threads of my homeland, and I will continue to do my best and impossible for my country from a distance.